Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. In this video, I would like to show you the progress of my beaded cross stitch kit. I completed the half. So, this is a beaded cross stitch kit on a blank canvas. Here's the original image. Those of you who follow my channel know that I purchased two kits from this company. It's a Russian company and a Russian social media website, but they also have a page in Facebook. They do not have as many kits over there as in Russian social media VK. It's called VK, but yet they still do. In any case, this is a 46 by 44 centimeters beaded cross stitch kit on a blank canvas. It contains 19 colors of beads, and the name is Wintertail. It comes with 23 pages of black and white pattern on A4 sheets, and the beads. Here they are. It also comes actually with the thread, but I use my own. I prefer polyester. Transparent polyester. So in any case, I completed 12 pages. In total, there are either 23 or 24. I don't remember, but I completed exactly the half. As you can see, I already bead stitched the rhinestones. Here they are. Yes, this kit comes with special elements. Rhinestones, here they are. Oh, it's not focusing. And so half of the kit is completed. So there are like 4 rows, and each row contains 6 pages. So I have to bead stitch 12 more pages to complete this very design. Now, please disregard those holes, because it lasts till the moment until I frame it. You see, once I put something dark under, or it doesn't matter dark or not, as soon as I put something under this canvas, the holes disappear. You see, I put my hand and there are no holes. Why? Because this canvas has pretty big holes, which makes it way easier to bead stitch. And then this is a good part. The bad part is that you can see through the holes. But again, as soon as the work is framed, they won't be as visible. Those holes will not be visible, you see. And unfortunately, when you look like this, it looks like the kit is bead stitched inaccurately in different directions. But again, it lasts till the moment when you put something under and this impression disappears. So in any case, I really like how it's working out. I'm really very happy with it. I'm also very happy with those special elements. The rhinestones, look at them, they sparkle so much. They're beautiful, very beautiful. Almost all of their kits come with special elements. And I'm going to keep you updated on my progress. I usually record my work in progress video when it comes to beaded cross stitch kit, this beaded cross stitch kit, when I complete a row. A row meaning 6 pages of pattern. So each row, there are 4 rows, and each contains, in each row, there are 6 pages of black and white patterns. So, before it was like this, and in order for me to make this row, I had to bead stitch 6 pages. So now I will bead stitch 6 pages more. I will upload a video, and after it, I will bead stitch 6 pages more again. And once I complete them, 12 pages on total, I will be done with this kit. I really like it, and yeah, I ended up ordering one more kit from them. So as soon as I receive it, I will record a video review. And as you know, this year I will try to focus more on beaded cross stitch kits. I will not be diamond painting as often as I did last year, but I still will. I have a few kits that I would like to work on when it comes to diamond painting, but again, mostly I will be bead stitching. I want to complete this very kit. I want to finally finish this one. I want to start working on this very image. It's called Chocolate Night in Russian. Chocolate Night. By the way, here's their website. And I ordered one more kit from them. And I want to try to complete, if not all, then at least 2 or 3 beaded cross-stitch kits this year. And the way I have it organized, the kits come with this very container. It is really very convenient. I keep all my beads in there, scissors, not all the accessories, scissors, threads, the marker that I use to highlight the areas that I already bead stitched. This company also gave me this very organizer as a present, as a gift, although I ordered one more. This time I ordered a custom beaded cross stitch kit. I will show you. I'm very excited. I hope it won't be lost in the mail or something. So as soon as I receive it, I will make a video review. In any case, although I got this very container, it also comes with a lid like this. So although I got it as a gift, and oh my god, it is so very convenient to work on. I just put the beads on it and start bead stitching. You know, they even include the sticker, the symbol stickers, so it's really very convenient. I ordered one more just in case, because some of the kits have a lot of colors and I'm afraid that one container will not fit all of them. So, and these black and white canvases, patterns. So that's how I organize, that's how I work. As you see, this is a how's it called? Floor stand. Jesus, I couldn't remember the name. So it is really very convenient for me to stretch the canvas on a floor stand. This way I do not have to hold it. So both of my hands are free, and I use them to I use one to hold the beads, the other one to bead stitch. Very convenient. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this one because the size is really very big. It's like 70 by 50 centimeters, and I won't be able to stretch it on this very stand. It's just not as big, so I guess I will have to hold it. So in any case, this is it. Thank you so much for watching, and as soon as I complete 6 more pages, I will record a video review. Bye.